Hello everyone. In this video, one of our alumni, Ankit, comes from an analytics background and there were two major problems he was facing. First, he knew the concepts, but when it came to real projects and interviews, there was a clear gap. He felt like his skills were not industry ready and there was a huge gap. Second was in finding a better opportunity where he can actually grow, and he was successfully able to overcome both of these problems. So, if you wonder how, then come, let's hear his story. Hi Ankit, welcome to Bosscoder Academy, and let's start with your introduction. So, please introduce yourself to the audience.
Okay. Hi Aditya, thank you for giving me this opportunity. And so my name is Ankit Kumar, and I carry around 3.3 years of experience in analytics domain. Earlier, I was working for Bonafide Labs for around 2 years, and then I started thinking for a switch for a better opportunity. And then I have done my graduation in Bangalore from Bangalore Institute of Technology in Electrical Engineering.
Okay, got it. So, what were the challenges, or I would say, what were the problems you were facing in your early career so that you decided to upskill yourself?
So the problem was in the challenges where the first thing is the practical implementation of whatever we go through these courses like SQL and etc. Because
Right.
what we learn and what we have to deliver in an industry, there is a thin line between that, and this was one of the challenge, and the other challenge was the job hunt, because in
Right.
today's scenario, if you look
Hmm.
into it, quite difficult to get into it, even if anyone is talented or he knows
Hmm.
everything, he or she knows everything.
Moving ahead, like I would also like to know, like there were multiple options, right, in the market, multiple upskilling platforms. Like you could do self-learning through YouTube and other resources as well. So why did you choose Bosscoder Academy particularly?
Okay, so the thing was, the first thing is here the time constraint. So,
Hmm.
if I go and start from a basic and then talking to people, this will take around many months.
Right.
So what happened was what boss coder did to me, they cut my time, and this helped me in the job hunt as well, and and got a mentor as well, Ekta Negi. She was
Hmm.
very helpful,
Right.
and I give credit to her as well, and because she helped me a lot in my job hunt process. And yes, so what the advices matters, like the suggestions
Exactly.
from the seniors, it matters a lot. It's not
Hmm.
available in market.
So, as you mentioned about your mentor, I would want to know more about your feedback or review about the mentorship and also the instructors who were teaching you.
Okay, so my mentor was Ekta Negi Ma'am, and she, like, every weekend we had a session. We had to go through the sessions, and she used to take a follow up. Okay, what did you learn in Excel? What did you learn in SQL, etc. So she was giving me the honest feedback.
Hmm.
Ki, okay, you should answer like this. You should do comparison like this, so you can add more bullet pointers which can impress the panel. And these things I took a note of it, and it helped me in my interview. So she was very helpful to me, especially the mentor part, and and all those sessions, it worked for me.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, Ankit. Thank you so much for
Thank
joining. So that was Ankit's journey. I think what really stands out here is knowing concepts is one thing, but being able to apply them is what actually creates opportunity. And as a working professional, if you're going through the same feeling, then check out Boss Coder Academy's program. Links are in the description below. And for more such informative videos, press like, share, and subscribe.